What I'm making tonight is a really, really fun Cobb salad. We're going to season the ahi with desert gold, thinly slice it and lay it here, and then drizzle some more dressing. Hello, everybody. Your old buddy Big Papa here. Big Papa Smokers, Big Papa Seasonings. It's time for some cool dinners. What I'm making tonight is a really, really fun Cobb salad. I'd call it an Asian Cobb salad because what I'm going to do is I found this beautiful ahi tuna. And we're going to sear this off on the grill really quick, on the griddle. But it's just spectacular. Look at that color. So what we're going to do is we're going to put it in the baggie and marinate it for a little bit. Only a little bit. Now, we're making a sesame ginger dressing, which is really super easy. But also when you're in a hurry, which actually I am right now, it's okay to buy a really good store-bought one. So we're going to use this to make it easier. I've got a nice sesame ginger dressing. And if you want to make it yourself, it's soy, rice wine vinegar, honey, and sesame oil, and then some sesame seeds. So I'm just going to pour some of it in here. You know how much I love baggies. Now here's the fun part. Well, there's a lot of fun parts when you're cooking with the old buddy Big Papa. So we washed and trimmed some lettuce. We got that in here. Some chopped romaine, some nice broccoli slaw, which got some cabbage and carrots in it. We're going to put a little more carrot in there. And now what we're going to do is we're going to pre-toss this part of it. Just drizzle some of the dressing in there. So I got gloves on, I can toss it. Okay, we got a nice bed there. What we're going to do, we're going to toss our stuff up just like a Cobb. Here comes the edamame. We'll leave a nice section in the middle. Some more carrot. Some fresh chopped mango. Some sugar snap peas, just kind of quartered, thinly sliced cucumber. Let's put some green onions over here, some red and yellow peppers. And I couldn't find the wonton papers I wanted to make, but I wanted something crunchy in here. So here's what we're going to do crunchy. We're going to have some chow mein noodles in there. We're going to season the ahi with desert gold. We're going to sear it on the Twin Eagles griddle. We're going to flip it, and then I'm going to hit it with black and white sesame, and then I'm going to flip it again, put some black and white sesame, bring it in, thinly slice it, and lay it here, and then drizzle some more dressing. So I'll see you outside while I'm cooking the tuna. Okay, here we go. A little oil right here. Move it around. Get that desert gold in there good. It's got sesame, it's got citrus. It's kind of a Mediterranean kind of meets a little bit of Asian actually because of the lemon and all that and the sesame. A couple minutes and then we're going to flip it over. Just a gentle press, not a press to force juice out, press to get it nice and even on the cooker so the searing is more consistent. Seared ahi was big a long time ago. I still really like it. Let's flip it over and see how we did. Let's flip her over. Now that we've flipped it over, see, I don't want to burn the sesame seeds. Now I'm doing black and white sesame or yellow sesame. Don't ask me why, I just think it looks cool, and this is a video for Instagram. Oh, by the way, Big Papa Smokers Instagram, Big Papa Smokers TikTok, Big Papa Smokers Facebook, cookingwithbigpapa.com, and www.bigpapasmokers.com. Look at this, everybody. Look at this. Looking beautiful. The other side's a little more caramelized, but that's okay. Okay, we got this beautiful desert gold seared ahi with some sesame. I'm going to come in here, cut it very thin. And on this side, I'm having fun. That's why I do this. That's why all you guys should cook. It's fun. Okay. I think that's going to do it for me. I'm going to pull it over here. Beautylicious. And here comes another fun part. Now what we're going to do, we're going to come and we're just going to drizzle that dressing across it. One little trick coming up. I don't know what the rest of you guys are going to eat, but I'm pretty excited. So here's the final. Some of those white sesame and some of the black sesame. There you have it. Big Papa Smokers Summer Asian Cobb Salad. I'm pleased. I hope you are. Check us out on www.bigpapasmokers.com, cookingwithbigpapasmokers.com, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, you name it, we're there. Adios.